Hello, I'm Sammy from Be Your Own Graphic Designer. Today I'm going to quickly show you how to make a social media post using the awesome power of Canva and some spooky Halloween images you can upload from our website. Adding text is super easy to do, and you can change the typeface, size and colour of your words so they really stand out. I've uploaded just a few images from the Be Your Own Graphic Designer Halloween image bank onto Canva, and you can see how quickly I'm building my social media post. The images are movable, resizable, and you can even put things in front of or behind others. This is because these images are on clear backgrounds, so there's no dreaded white box appearing in your social media posts. Copying images and flipping them over is easy to do as well. When you're ready to upload your design onto Facebook, simply hit the download button in the top right corner of the screen and you're ready to get into the Halloween spirit. To download your set of Halloween images, just go to beyourowngraphicdesigner.com/Halloween bundle. But remember, they're only available for a limited time and then they spookily disappear.